Here's a super easy DIY perfect for the entire family. We gathered all of our materials at the Dollar Tree, but remember, you can feel free to customize this to your liking. The key to this mess-free project is our trusted UGlu dashes. Using dashes really makes this a very versatile project to do with the entire family, including your little ones. As you can see here, I am attaching all of my ornament details with UGlu dashes. I added a little pine cone, some cute berries, and a leaf. But remember, you can be as creative as you'd like and really personalize these to match the person that you want to gift it to or the person that is making it. Once all of your elements are on your lid, you want to go ahead and put them all inside of your ornament little by little. Just make sure that all of the elements are in before you screw your top on. Again, using our UGlu dashes, I went ahead and added some decorative accents to the outside of my lid just to add a little bit more pop. And that's it, you guys. In less than 5 minutes and with no mess, you have the perfect gift or activity for your entire family.